are on the way to the floating village. There are 3 places, the most popular places to see the floating village in Siem Reap. One which is really close to the Siem Reap. We heard that it's really touristy, might be the tourist trap. So our host recommend the one we're going now. Probably will be really quiet.
It's very peaceful so far. It was about maybe half an hour tuk-tuk ride from the main city center.
It's quite bumpy road sometimes.
We made it.
We made it, and I think it's really worth it.
It's $25 to hire the whole boat. So we have this big, huge boat all to ourselves.
We went in the morning with Mr. Ban. We went for shopping to the market. So Mr. Ban bought some smaller boats around us as well. It's so loud. So Mr. Ban bought stuff for our dinner, and
We went to a little restaurant for breakfast. So we had hot noodle soup, and it was $1.25 per bowl.
it was really good.
And I need to feel you when you hold me, you unfold me. And I need to feel you when you hold me, you unfold me.
At a nice temple called Banteay Srei. I'm not sure about the pronunciation, but it's made out of pink, red, and yellow sandstone, I think. It's really detailed and intricate.
It's different than all the other temples we've seen so far. I think this is also the last our tempo in this trip.
I think we've had
We've seen a lot.
this one's a bit further away as well. So it was a long tuk-tuk ride.